Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Konmari toddler / young boy clothes organization. Starting over here, we have pajama shirts and then pajama bottoms, folded Konmari. These underwear are not, but that's okay. The boxers, I have my prints in the front and then proceeding to rainbow order Konmari fold boxers. And I just left the socks balled up on the side. Next we have all of his shirts that do not need to be hung up. So these I have like the white, mostly whites in the front, and then proceeds to rainbow order the best I could fit them all. And then these on the side are the long sleeves, also in rainbow order. Here are his pants and short drawer. So same thing, folded Konmari, rainbow order. I just left his like sweats on the like side, or I guess not the side, the middle. And then these are all of his shorts. Then off to the side, we have his organized hot mess of shoes. They are just paired off in rainbow order as well, the best I could. And then here is his closet. I also tried to do the Konmari rainbow order and then sort by style, but I realized I had a couple items out of place, which is why I'm like, oh, what are you doing here? So I will just show you the order as I put these away. So quick side note, I did exclude his big jackets and dress shirts from the Konmari organized clothes, and I did go through his clothes prior to this video to weed out small sizes, stuff he doesn't wear, and thank them for their service. So I'm sure you can see colors, but here are the grays. That's like blue gray, and then into regular blues, green, yellow, orange, reds, and then on the end I just have his dress pantalones. And there's his closet. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.